Okay, next piece of news. This is from Verizon's website, actually. So Verizon, UPS, and Skyward have announced that they are officially going to start doing drone deliveries with the help of 5G. That's kind of cool. Just one of the things that came out of CES so far. But yeah, thanks to 5G, they're going to be doing actual drone deliveries. Shocker here, the whole non-contact delivery thing is a big part of the reason that they are going through with this. So it says UPS has operated more than 3,800 successful drone delivery flights since the creation of UPS Flight Forward, and that was in 2019. 2020, drone delivery emerged as a much more than rapid delivery of essential healthcare items. During the global pandemic, it provided high-risk seniors a rapid and contactless delivery option to remain healthy at home. It says, quote, using Verizon's 5G and Skyward, we'll be able to transform the delivery experience. More personal, more on demand, and with the same safety, efficiency, and reliability our customers trust today. It's from Bala Ganesh, Vice President and Advanced Technology Group at UPS. So let's take a little peek at this video here, huh? You're gonna get a Hawk to fuck with their drones? Skyward equals Skynet, probably, if we're being honest. I mean, it is Verizon we're talking about here. I don't know if they've ever been at the tippy. See, look at these. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. Like this just doesn't scream evil to you. This looks like some Resident Evil shit if they were robots. But anyway, let's see if we can catch a glimpse of these drones doing their thing. Yeah, those are some intense drones. Look at these things. Look at these dudes. That's totally Skynet. Yeah, you're probably right, bro. They don't really get flown by some dude wearing 3D goggles, right? Come on. Come on. That's not really how they do that, right? Alright, do we get to... So we got these dudes driving around in masks inside their truck. See, this just all feels... Like, look at it. You're outside, bro. You're just hiding in vans, delivering packages with drones. What's the point of having trucks drive around still? If we're supposed to be doing this with drones. Also, it's right there in the yard. You're just going to leave the package right there in the yard. You can't do sidewalk. Man. Man, oh man. We've come so far and yet we're still so far away. So if we get a Hawk to take down a drone, do we get the shit like a loot box? I assume so. I can't imagine you don't get to keep it. NSA is so happy about this. They really probably are.